So I have logged in Oracle Fusion in the Comet browser. Let's first check what roles this user already has. I'm just querying my user. Okay, so it has the receivable roles, the five receivable roles, the general accountant, and the IT security manager. Now, let's say I decide to add more roles and I want to do this using an automated job. Okay, let's try to use Comet for that. All right. So, first, let me choose the role. So, I have the list of roles which I want to add. Okay, so we have all this. Receivables are already added. So, let's take these four as an example. Okay, so in fact, let me take these four job codes. Let me copy this and then I'll go to the assistant. This opens the assistant for me. Okay, then I say I am already logged in to this user. Let me click on the edit button also. Okay, I would like your help in adding the following roles to this user. And I paste those four job codes. Please use the add role button. And once added all four roles, please stop. Let's see what it does. Okay. So again, as you can see, it's taking over the screen. So it says I encountered a disconnection. I'll say please continue. Please try again. Okay, so it's doing that. You can see that it automatically selected the add role membership. So I'm not doing anything, team. Okay. So it copied the first code. Okay. It selected the first one. I have to give more explicit instructions, but let's see. So it added the add role membership. I don't know if it got added. We have to see that later. This is the second role. It's automatically selecting it. It's automatically clicking on the add role membership also. I believe this one is the third role. So it encountered two this time. Let's see. I'm hoping that it should select the first one. Yep. Because there is also a copy. So the third role also has been added. Now let's see what it does with the fourth one. Okay, so it found the fourth one too. Again, team, I'm not even clicking anything. I just give that instructions in the beginning. Okay. So let's see if it got added. Add role membership. The first, so excellent. All four roles have been successfully added. Now let's see if it really added that for me. Okay. You can see that it added. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about, how powerful this Comet browser can be. And I think these sort of features are now going to be added to rest of the browser. So this way, I don't have to keep on manually doing this. This is completely automated, team. Okay. Look at the power of Comet browser. And I can do this for the entire list if I want. Only thing is I should have a paid version, I believe, because at some point in time it runs out of the free credits. Okay, but you can still see I can still use this. If I buy the paid credit, I'll probably run the script and I can even describe it better. I can say click on the add role, select the role, for example, click on the add role, whatever the role is, let's say assets. Select the role, select the first role, click on add role membership. Okay, I could say that explicitly in the beginning instructions when I gave it here, and it would still do that. Okay, it would do a better job. So just wanted to share this amazing thing quickly with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. You also should try this out, and this should make your life much easier. The only thing you need to be careful about is, remember, if you are doing this, you should try this only in the demo instance or the test instance. You should never try it in any of the production instance or client instance, because this is a demo. um, because as you can see that it's taking screenshots. Now again, I'm not sure whether it is sending anything to the Perplexity website. At this point, I'm not sure of that. See, I'm not looking at the security risk at this stage, I'm just looking at the automation at this stage. But you need to be wary of that, because if it's taking screenshot, this screenshot which it's taking, right, what is it doing? Is it like keeping it only locally on the machine? It is definitely on my laptop, but is it also sending it to Perplexity websites? Is that something which is recommended? Again, these are standard roles. We can do the same thing for custom roles, but when you do the custom roles, you'll have the custom role, company name, and all that. So be wary of all that. Again, when I'm showing things to you, I'm just showing things with the perspective of the possibility of using AI features. Okay. Now, obviously, everything which we do in this industry could have good and bad implications, could have positive and negative things around it. So we need to be careful on how we are using this. Any feature which we have, we need to be very careful. We have to vet it out before we actually use that for production. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this session, friends. Let's get back to our regular rhythm. So for those who are new to this channel, let me actually go to this channel and I'll tell you what you can see in my channel. So mine is a completely Oracle ERP based channel, but I also have a lot of AI components to it. So if you look at the playlist, there are so many different playlists I have. These are all like core ERP SLAs, subledger accounting. You have supply chain management fundamentals, anything around customers, a lot of FAQs, interview questions, and client specific questions across the board. Then you have RMCS. This is your project module. This is channel revenue management. This is credit card module. All this is all there. And then these two are my favorite modules. One of them is the out of box Oracle's AI agent, which I'm still going to explore further. And then this one is basically how we can utilize AI and machine learning concepts into the standard ERP module, how we can augment ERP with AI machine learning features. So I explore a lot. I talk about a lot of AI tools which we can leverage. And this particular video which I'm shooting today, that is also going to be added to this playlist. Some of them are short videos. Some of them could be really lengthy ones. So if you look at it, the last video which I posted on this was about CLI, command line interface. Okay, very interesting video that was about 50 minutes, 55 minutes worth of video. I would definitely like you guys to check it out. And again, see, team, this is not just a technical or a functional thing. In the sense, now we have to look at Oracle ERP and AI in a holistic way. We may all be technical resources or functional resources or a mix of both, right? So at the end of the day, when we try to serve the client, okay, when we do a project for the client, we need to make sure we know as many tools as we can, and we can definitely try out multiple options to solve business problems. Okay, so that's the main goal behind it. So I hope you enjoy watching videos in my channel. There are plenty of videos. In fact, so far it's 279. And I also don't believe in putting a lot of short videos, but whatever shorts you will see, they are also going to be something helpful to you. Like this one is about a chatbot. This is how to use PyCube to connect to the database, just like told, And this is somebody asked me about item validation, how to find the customer's email address in Oracle Cloud. So something which does not really need a lengthy video. I actually create quick videos, but you can see that there are only five short videos. I rather do lengthier videos, and which helps everybody, in the community. That's my primary goal. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. And again, recently, one good news is I crossed. We are now a family of 11,000 subscribers. That's something really exciting. I really thank all of you for all your support, and keep subscribing, keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting, and keep learning. Most important of everything. All right, team. Thanks a lot.